Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to set up SAP GUI access point. This is SAP tutorial series where you can learn more about SAP on this YouTube channel. Please go ahead and check out other videos, like, subscribe. And so in this video I will show you how to set up, and after you have installed your GUI, how you can add access point for your GUI. So you must have this access point information given to you from the access provider that have given you. What you have to do is you have to configure it on your SAP GUI application. So let's get started with this. So we are looking at right now SAP GUI application. So if I close this and open this from here, basically let me just completely close this, close window, and open this from the icon you have on your machine. So I have two monitors, so it's open on other monitors. I'll just bring it up here. So as you can see, I have one access point is shown up here in the screen. What you have to do is get a new access point. This is a new button up here. You can click on new. What you have to go to the connection first. So there is a favorite, shortcut, and connections. You have to go to this folder, click on this folder first, then click on new. And here a system is asking you about the user specified system. Yes, next. What we have to do, put description up here, application server. So I can put, for example, I can put SAP access point, SAP access point. This server information is either website address or the server name, or it is IP address. So as we can see that whatever I have before, I have used IP address. Now here we will use if you have IP address, you put your IP address. So I'm just putting any random numbers right now, just to show you that you have to put IP address. It should be look like this up here, something like that. Instance number, we can see that we have instance number showing up here. For example, I'll put 23. Whatever instance number you have received, you put this in there. System ID number, it could be number or system ID in alphabets. You just put them there. And if you have SAP string up here, so if you have SAP router string, you put this in there. Otherwise, this is the main things you have to enter in this. And before you do anything, this is like a connection type is custom application server. Most of the time it will stay the same, and you just do finish. So I just created this access. Let me just make it bigger. This access point, system description, your system ID and generator. So this is your access. After you have this configured in the system, you enter your information, you double click on it, and if it is configured properly, it will open. Otherwise, if you have this screen where it's showing you the error is not connecting because some information is not entered into the system correctly. So you want to make sure that you have correct information entered in while you're setting this up. If you, for example, make a mistake, well, how can you fix it? So right click on it, go to the properties, and here you can edit this. For example, if you want to put, if you forgot the number in there, you can change the number. Whatever you have to do, just make a change up here and press OK. That's it. That's how you set up your SAP GUI access point from your SAP GUI application. So that is the simple instructions, and hopefully this video help you. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see any other type of video. Just leave them in the comments, so I will try my best to see if I can make those. Thank you very much.